Welcome back to Grip News 2M, your trusted source for the latest news and insights on finance, technology, and global markets. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has gained significant attention in recent years due to its astronomical rise in value and the potential it holds as a decentralized digital currency. Whether you're intrigued by its transformative technology or simply looking for an alternative investment option, understanding how to invest in Bitcoin is crucial to navigating this dynamic market. Investing in Bitcoin may seem daunting at first, especially for those new to the world of cryptocurrencies. However, fear not. In this guide, we will break down the process step by step, demystifying the complexities and equipping you with the necessary knowledge to get started. Step 1. Setting up a wallet. Just like a physical wallet stores your cash and cards, a Bitcoin wallet is a digital equivalent that holds your cryptocurrencies securely. There are various types of wallets, including hardware, software, and online wallets. We'll explore each option and guide you in choosing the one that best suits your needs. Step 2. Choosing an exchange. To buy or sell Bitcoin, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. We'll walk you through the process of selecting a reputable and user-friendly exchange platform. We'll also discuss factors to consider, such as security measures, transaction fees, and available trading pairs. Step 3. Conducting research. Before making any investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. We'll delve into the key factors to consider when evaluating the potential of Bitcoin, including its historical performance, market trends, regulatory environment, and the technology behind it. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be able to make informed decisions and minimize risks. Step 4. Developing an investment strategy. Successful investing requires a well-defined strategy. We'll discuss various investment approaches, such as long-term holding, dollar-cost averaging, and active trading. Understanding your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon will help shape your investment strategy and determine the best approach for you. Step 5. Securing your investment. As with any digital asset, securing your Bitcoin holdings is of utmost importance. We'll provide essential tips and best practices for protecting your cryptocurrency investments from potential threats, including wallet security, two-factor authentication, and avoiding phishing scams. Remember, investing in Bitcoin, like any investment, carries risks. It's essential to approach it with caution and only invest what you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, experiencing rapid price fluctuations. However, with proper research, risk management, and a long-term perspective, Bitcoin has the potential to yield substantial returns. Additionally, staying updated with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space is crucial. By following reputable news sources and engaging in online communities, you can gain valuable insights and stay informed about market trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements that may impact your investment decisions. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that while Bitcoin has shown remarkable growth, diversifying your investment portfolio is generally considered a prudent approach. Explore other cryptocurrencies, stocks, bonds, or traditional assets to spread your risk and create a balanced investment strategy. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on how to invest in Bitcoin. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation to embark on your cryptocurrency investment journey. Remember to do your own research, seek professional advice if needed, and always stay vigilant in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for joining us today on Grip News 2M. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.